Today we are going to be reviewing Owen and Velociraptor Beta, Claire and the Dilophosaurus, and the RC car Jurassic World Dominion Jeep. Owen and Beta first. And Owen and Velociraptor Beta. So this is Beta, the Velociraptor. It's one I've been really wanting to get. And I'm going to compare Beta with some of the other raptors. This is the Camp Cretaceous one that came with Sammy from Camp Cretaceous. This one I think that came with Yaz and Compies and a compass, I think, with Yaz and Camp Cretaceous, that thing that we reviewed. This is where this one came from, and it looks as kind of like it, but this one's smaller and this one's taller. So this one, and all of those other ones. A lot of them. And now we have Owen. Oh, put Beta down there. And Owen, we have a lot of Owens. And this one looks most like this one that I got. And they look the same, just Owen's hair is darker, brown or black. And his pants look a little different. And his shirt is more darker blue. Here on his, and he has somewhere to hold his dagger or whatever it's called. And he also has a gun to shoot at the dinosaurs, tranquilizer gun. And we have a fox that I think Beta eats it. And then Beta gets captured in the trailer. So yeah, that was pretty cool. Now we're gonna open Claire and the Dilophosaurus. So now we have Claire and the Dilophosaurus. This is my first Claire figure. I don't know why I never got a Claire, but I'm glad I got one now. Now I'm gonna make a Claire army, just like I have a lot of Owen army. So where do I begin? Oh, yeah. We have this one looks more detailed and better. This one, well, it's not as detailed, and also it's smaller. But I think I like this one more because it's more detailed and bigger. Also, I think the ones in Jurassic Park weren't fully grown, so yeah. This one is very cool. Also, we have a walkie-talkie, so Claire could call for help, and then someone will come, but while she's waiting, she has a gun to tranquilize the Dilophosaurus. Then they'll come get it, basically. Then we have Dilophosaurus kind of look like it's shooting or spitting its poisonous venom like it does sometimes. So, this is the first Claire figure I ever got. I don't know why I never got a Claire figure, but I'm glad I got one. I'll make a whole Claire army like I have with the Owens. And the Dilophosaurus is very cool. It is bigger than the Dilophosaurus that I got. It's bigger than the Dilophosaurus I have, and it's very cool. I wonder if oh no, it doesn't. fit in there. So this is a new piece, and the whole thing's a new piece, and it's very cool. And this one goes, and they all do this, the Dilophosaurus, and then the scene in the trailer, I think, in the trailer where the Dilophosaurus is about to spit and poisonous venom into her face, Claire's. And there's a gun to shoot the Dilophosaurus if you want to, tranquilize it, and a walkie-talkie to call for help. So now that we looked at all of those, we're gonna look at this. Now here is the RC car. It is very cool. I have another one, and this one is a Jurassic Park Jeep, and it drives with this controller, and it's very good at driving this one, but we're not going to talk about that one today because we're not reviewing it. Today is this one, so I'm going to take this little figure, well, paper figure or cardboard figure out, take the tape out. We'll just leave it there for now. And so in a bit we're gonna try out this soon, but this is very cool. It has a wheel up here. I don't know if you can really use it. I don't think the wheels will get hurt, or I don't think the wheels can pop because they're not really like a balloon or like a real car tire. It's just rubber, and car tires are made out of rubber, but whatever. And yeah, you can't take it out. And the doors don't really open, but the main thing is if you put batteries in here, which we'll do soon, you could do it and catch the Dracorex, I forgot how to say it. And capture it in there. And then, well, that's very cool. But too bad, but you can't really scan it. So you can maybe take it out. I don't think I can, but it's really cool. I can have a big race with both of these. Race them both at the park and anywhere. So this is the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, and see you in another video. Bye.